How to use Revolut to invest. Follow these steps. Investing in stocks. How to start: open the Revolut app and go to the Invest section. Tap Stocks and search for a company or ticker symbol. Select the stock and tap Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. You can buy fractional shares. Confirm the trade. Investing in cryptocurrencies. How to start: go to the Invest section and select Crypto. Choose a cryptocurrency. Tap Buy, enter the amount, and confirm. Investing in commodities, gold, silver. How to start: go to the Invest section and select Commodities. Choose gold or silver. Enter the amount and confirm. Savings vaults. How to start: tap Vaults in the app. Select Savings Vault. Thanks for watching.